Meaning of detritus.
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 Detritus. Detritus refers to the remains of something that has been broken down or destroyed, often in the natural world. It is the accumulation of small pieces of material that are typically left over from biological or geological processes. These can include decaying plant and animal matter, rock fragments, and soil particles. Detritus plays an important role in ecosystems, as it provides nutrients to the soil and helps support the growth of new plants and other organisms. However, excessive amounts of detritus can also lead to environmental problems like nutrient imbalances and reduced water quality.